In this demo, I'll show how we configure a corporate-owned single-use launcher using a kiosk mode policy. On the left, you see the admin console. On the right, a standard Android device with default menu layout with full access to the settings. Now, we are creating a new dedicated device policy. This mode is designed for company-owned, single-purpose or task-focused devices. Everything the user sees and can access is defined here, centrally, from the console. First, we add a single business application to the launcher grid elements. This could be a QR and barcode scanner app. Next, we add a web clip. This is useful when you want quick access to a web-based system, for example, an internal portal or instructions page. The web clip behaves like an app icon, but opens a controlled web URL. Then we change icon grid layout. Now we customize the look and feel of the launcher. We set a custom wallpaper, usually company branding or simple, clean background. We can also adjust its transparency. Then we define a header. In this scenario we add company logo. Next, we define a custom settings bar with call functionality. This allows the user to quickly call a predefined number, such as technical support. In this section, we add custom fields displayed in the settings bar, including IMEI, device platform, and Wi-Fi MAC address, parameters that can be useful when the user is calling the help desk. Now let's look at device settings. In kiosk mode, access to Android system settings is limited and defined by the kiosk mode wizard. Users can only see and change what we explicitly allow, for example Wi-Fi, torch or zoom. Everything else, system configuration, accounts, developer options, is blocked. Once policy is saved and applied on the device, we now see the final result. Only the configured application, the web clip, the custom header, the support call option and predefined settings are visible. No access outside the defined scope. This is how Kiosk Launcher helps you turn a standard Android device into a secure, role-based business tool. The setup is done once in the console and applied automatically to all assigned devices. Simple for the user, fully controlled for IT.